For today's video, we're going to be working on some True Flight Jordans. This is a custom for a client. Kid is a huge Kobe fan, so we're going to go ahead and make this some Lakers themed. Put a little 8 on one side, 24 on the other side. Make this a cool custom for a kid's birthday. Let's get into it. So I already went ahead and did all the prep work. If you need any tips or any recommendations or just want to see what I do as far as prep goes, you can go ahead and check out one of my last videos. The last video I posted, I went really in depth with what I like to do as far as prep goes. But we're going to go ahead and just look at all these different panels, try to get an idea for how we can make this thing stand out. If you notice, there's a lot of different panels, so we're going to try to keep some offsetting cutters just to make it pop a little bit. Then the first thing we're going to go ahead and do is probably start with the yellow. That's going to be the most hardest thing to get. I hate working with yellow. It's so hard to get that thing to pop. So I think we're going to use it here. I'm not exactly too sure what kind of material this is, but it kind of feels like suede. So just to be safe, we'll go ahead and throw some 2 soft in there. Keep it nice and soft. But let's go ahead and get this yellow laid down and we'll go from there. Okay, so now that we're done with all this yellow, surprisingly, the yellow grabbed on really well. So whatever type of texture this is, I gotta go look it up, I know. But whatever type of texture this is, really grabbed onto this yellow really well now. Without even hitting any of the purple, just from the purple accents that are already on top of the shoe, this is already looking really good. So I think this is gonna come out very well. I'm gonna kind of hand paint, do the same thing. I'm gonna go ahead and hit all of these little extra areas with purple. Try to keep it a little basic. I don't want the purple to take over too much, and it's probably gonna be a different type of purple than this is, so I'm not gonna go too heavy into it. Just strategically planning, I try to keep this yellow kind of around that purple. Same thing with this back one. That's why I chose those panels. That way it'll just kind of stick out from each other a little bit more. But let's go ahead and lay down 2 coats, possibly 3. I only needed 2 with the yellow, so purple being the darker color, it's probably not going to be too bad. So we'll go ahead and lay down 2 coats, see how it is. If needed, we'll throw it on a 3rd coat, and we're almost done. We'll find out a place to put the 8 and the 24, and the shoe is ready to go. Alright, now that we got our paint for the purple set down, everything's looking pretty good. Off camera, I went ahead with my Cricut, cut out a 24 on this side and an 8 on that side. I just, didn't want to bother you guys with that one. We could do that for another day, but yeah, so our stencils are all cut out. As you can see, I taped around just to make sure we don't get any tape on parts that we don't want. So we're gonna go ahead and take our airbrush, use our yellow with a blue stripe there, just yellow, and we're gonna go ahead and start filling in these numbers here, and we should be done with the shoe. Now, one thing I will say is as you're getting into the painting for your stencils, take it very, very slow. We want to build these colors up with nice gentle coats. As you can see, I'm not really laying down too much paint. What I'm trying to do is layer it up. If you run it too hard into there, you're gonna see kind of like these drippy marks on the side. What's actually gonna happen is the paint's gonna dry up over the stencil, so when you peel it back, it'll rip some of the paint with it, and your edges and all that, it's not gonna come out clean. So take your time when you're doing your stencil work. Slowly build up the paint. The color will get there. You just got to be patient with it. And there you have it. We're all done. The shoes came out pretty sick. You know, took a basic, just kind of like a bone gray color. And now we got a Lakers team with Kobe Bryant's numbers on it. RIP the GOAT. Can't wait to lace these up. Make a kid's day. All right, another custom's done. This is a great gift. Can't wait for this kid to open it up, show it off at school. You know, and cool thing is you can't go out and buy it from anywhere. So if you're looking for a gift for somebody, custom shoes, they're pretty cool gift. Also, got some news. Just opened up an Etsy shop. Got some stickers for sale. I'm gonna maybe move into some, you know, apparel stuff. I'm testing it out, making sure everything is good, making sure you can wash it, dry it, and all that. But I got a lot of Dragon Ball Z's with some Air Force Ones. You know, we got Jordan 1s, Goku wearing Jordan 1s, stuff like that. So go ahead and check it out if you guys want some stickers. They're all up live right now. And please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, do all that good stuff. You can follow me on Instagram at magic_customs. Till next time, shoot.